Hi guys, my name's Craig, this is Gadget King Reviews, and today we're going to be reviewing a used gadget and my favourite gadget at that, and that's the Phantom 4 DJI. And I just look at it and I think it looks amazing. I know the Mavic looks amazing and it's perfect for when you're travelling, but the Phantom DJI 4 just looks awesome. I know the DJI 4 Pro has the screen on it, but I don't have the screen on mine, so I have to make do with my iPhone. But that suits me down to the ground. I don't fly it all that too often, and when I do fly it, the iPhone 8's screen's big enough for what I need it for. I tend normally to fly it around my own piece of land because in the UK there's been a lot of laws that they've been making up around them. You can't fly them near airports, which is only obvious. You shouldn't be flying them near airports anyway, even though there's like my land's in an airport flight path, but well, 50 miles to the north of it. But yeah, this is my favourite gadget out there, and I think for the price tag it's going for now, which is £500 in the UK, it's a steal. They're as tough as they come. The handle excellent. The fast. The filming you get from it is just unbelievable. Like the 4K 60 frames per second. It just looks amazing. You can get some proper cinematic shots, and if you're into filming and you've got the spare £500, this will change your film making history. So we'll leave it at that, but we'll go out now, we'll put it together, we'll have a little fly of it, and we'll see what she does. This, for the money, is the best drone you can buy on the second-hand market out there. You can get them for as little as £500, $700 mark. They do everything you would expect a decent quality drone to do. The only thing that I'd say was wrong with them is they're a bit big compared to the Mavic. So if you're doing a lot of travelling, the Mavic would be preferable. But if you're not using them that often and you're just putting them in the car and you're just doing little bits of flying, little bits of aerial filming, this will do just as good, well, if not better, than most of the things out there. I'm a big fan of DJI. Battery just slips straight in the back. It only goes in one way, so you don't have nothing to worry about. Your propellers are all colour coded, so if it's grey, it goes on the grey, it just clips in. If it's black, it goes on the black, it just clips in. I mean, yes, I am looking like I'm doing it really fast at the moment, but you've got to understand, I've put this together quite a few times. Now we need to get an SD card. Now you want a good SD card when you're putting these things together. It's already together. You want a good fast one. You don't want it goes in the side. You don't want a cheap one. You want something that can handle the speed of the filming that's going to be on it. Make sure when you're putting your phone on that you're not going to hit any of the volume knobs or anything like that. Making it easier, the drone as it starts up. And that's the noise of the drone connecting up when you hear it. And it's beeping because it wants to connect together and it's not finding the drone itself. So we'll get these out of the way. Hey! Now, obviously, we've landed it. Once you've took it down, it's pretty simple to land. You just press return to home and it'll do it all itself. Me, I like to catch it in the air, but I'm here on my own today and I don't want to be doing that. But always put the gimbal protector on the bottom. Simple. When you take your propellers off, you have a little side case. Goes back in the case, no problem. I mean, this is so simple to put away, it is unbelievable. Just folds away like that. So, press the power off button. Hear that noise. So there you go, guys. That was the DJI Phantom 4 drone. Still my best, still my favourite gadget out there. And for 500 English pounds used, It's got to be a steal. It's a deal. It's sale of the century. Now, I think you couldn't ask for any more out of a drone than this drone can provide. Unless you want the Mavic Pro to carry around with you and you're doing a lot of travelling, this is perfectly adequate for anything you want to do. So until next time, guys, my name's Craig. This is Gadget King Reviews. Subscribe to the channel. Press the bell if you want to see more reviews. Give me a big thumbs up. And if you've got any comments about this drone or anything concerning the drone, leave them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer them all, and I'm sure I can answer each and every one of them. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye.